you how to add the stitch using the method knit front and back. Sometimes called left leaning bar increase. So we simply knit one stitch first through the front leg and then through the back leg. It is usually written like this: KFB. So knit front and back. So simple back in continental style of knitting, we end up with the pattern like this. You can clearly see the bars leaning to the left. That's why we call it left leaning bar increase. The another swatch I made using Russian or Eastern European style of knitting, and it looks exactly the same. We've got the same bars leaning to the left. My knitting tension is a little bit different in continental and Russian style, so it looks a little bit different, but really looks the same. If you knit in Russian style and you make knit front and back exactly like we do in continental knitting, you will end up with different pattern. This is my swatch, which I knit in Russian style, but I use the way of making knit front and back like we use in continental knitting. So you can see the bars, they look a little bit different, they are more visible, and the look of the swatch is completely different. It is not as tidy as the in continental knitting. But of course you can use it if it's something you like for your project. It's not that it's wrong, but it looks different. So today I will show you all three variations of the knit front and back, when you knit continental, Russian, or you mix this up together. First I will show you my first swatch when I will be knitting in continental style, and I will make knit front and back exactly knitting front leg first and back leg later. I will slip the first stitch because this is edge stitch. The next stitch I will knit. I will make knit front and back. So I knit through the front leg. I don't remove the stitch from the left needle yet. I knit the same stitch through the back leg. And now I can remove the stitch from the left needle. I will show you again. I knit the stitch through the front leg. I keep it on the left needle, and then I knit the same stitch again, but through the back leg. I slip the stitch from the left needle. Then I continue the stockinette stitch. So we just made another bar, as you can see. And this is how it looks when I finish the row. So now I will knit in Russian Eastern European style. Same, I will just slip the first stitch as my edge stitch, then I knit one stitch, and then I'm ready to make knit front and back, bar increase. In this method, we first knit through the back leg and then through the front leg. So I knit first through the back leg, and I don't slip my stitch from the left needle yet. Then I knit through the front leg. It is a bit awkward, and then I'm ready to slip the stitch off my left needle. And as you can see, we've got the new bar on our swatch. So I will show you this again. I knit the stitch through the back leg like this. Now I knit the same stitch through the front leg. I've got 2 stitches of 1, and now I slip the stitch from the left needle. And now my swatch is looking exactly the same like the swatch I knitted in continental style. So now I will show you this kind of not wrong, but I will call it wrong way. So I will be knitting in Russian style, but I will make bar increase in continental style. Now I will do knit front and back. It is a bit hard to make even. So you can see it looks a little bit different. I personally think that it looks quite interesting, and I think it can be used for some very nice different looking increase on the shawl or when you do raglan. This is just personal choice. I just wanted to show you the 3 methods and how you can play with the bar increase. And that's it. Happy knitting and experimenting!